Hello everyone, welcome to Soham Healer's World. This is a general reading for Sagittarius for the month of April 2021. This reading includes all the 4 weeks of April. So, Sagittarius, let's see what cards have to say for you. Alright, Sagittarius, amazing, amazing, amazing. So, your energy of the month is the Hierophant. So, here I see people who are planning to get married. It's a good card for you. You can get married, you might get good proposals, you might get someone might give and someone might come to your house and you know just talk about an arranged marriage proposal. So these kind of things, and if you are looking for some kind of counsel and guidance from someone, definitely you will find the right person for that. So yeah, first week card says King, Nine of Cups reversed, Seven of Pentacles reversed, and King of Swords. So I see here that you are some kind of a loss I see here. It could be some kind of a financial loss. Maybe you have invested into something and you are thinking of getting the returns back, and that did not happen. So this has made you little unhappy. Things became little unstable, and somewhat though you are at the position that this is not a major loss for you, you still have a lot. But yes, if something goes from our hand, even if it is a little bit, and we were expecting something good to happen from that, that makes us feel bad, right? So that is the thing that might happen in the first week. Before moving towards the other weeks, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my channel for the monthly updates. The second week cards are Sun, Three of Cups, and Tower reversed. So I see here something new coming up, some celebration, something happening. I don't know, maybe it could be related to your marriage. If this is related to the marriage, please do let me know in the comment box. We all will bless you. We all will pray for you, and yeah, that's it. So I see some kind of a celebration, happy thing coming up, happy time, fresh new time. You have gone through something in your life, and that bad phase is going to get over, and a new happy phase is coming up in your life. The third week cards are Nine of Cups reverse, Nine of Wands, and the Magician reverse. So again, because something, if something bad has happened with anybody for a very long period of time, and something good, suddenly happens, or something good is about to happen, so we get little scared, right? It is a human nature. It happens with everybody that we get little scared that you know I hope things go well. I hope this thing doesn't happen. The negative things they don't happen, and I hope if I'm planning to get married, I hope everything is okay and all the ceremonies go well and nothing bad happens. All these things might come to your mind when something bad has happened in past, and you're planning to something new and positive is coming in your life. So that kind of an emotions I see here in the third week of April that you might be going through, might be little insecure, you might feel little confused what to do, how to save my relationship or save whatever I have, and how much to show the other person what am I, and how much to keep hidden, not show right now. I don't want to be exposed fully. I don't want other person to make take advantage of my strengths and weaknesses or whatever I show to the other person. That kind of insecurity I see, which is very common. So don't think about it too much. It happens, but just I know it's difficult to come out of the past, but just enjoy what is there in the present. The fourth week cards are Four of Swords, Ten of Pentacles, and Ace of Wands. So great, amazing fourth week. I see you traveling. It could be again with the family, towards the family, starting something new. Wow, I see here you traveling. It could be traveling with your partner or for your partner, towards your partner. Again, I see this marriage card. You might get few things from your family, gifts from your family, and it is going to be a happy new beginning. So That's about it. I feel really happy reading your cards. If any one of you can connect to it, if it, for some of you it can be marriage, for some of you it could be a new venture or something new might start up. It could be, for some of you, I believe it could be, a happy news related to a child or conception or new project. It could be anything. So if anything like this is happening in your life or it happens, please do write in the comment box. I will be really happy to read it. And that's about it. Still, if you have any doubt, please write to us in the comment box. And you can follow us on Instagram and Facebook for the daily and the personalized reading. The links are given in the description box. That's about it. Good luck.